December 2nd, just after 2 p.m. We just came back from playing a little bit of golf up in the San Marcos area at a place called Twin Oaks Golf Course, and now we just drove down on Highway 15 into San Diego, and we're now here at Ocean Beach, as you can see. A little windy here. The Ocean Beach Pier is there in the distance. And there's a gentleman actually emptying out the trash can, the dumpster, for recyclables, I would imagine. Interesting part-time job. So, lots of sand dunes here. Comfort station. We're not far from the San Diego airport, actually. I don't know. Oh, there's a plane going up right here. San Diego airport is actually very central, close to the Mission Beach area and the Old Town area. There's a stretch of beach looking north. Let me see what we can glimpse here. After this, we're planning to head down to the Cabrillo National Monument, which is sort of at the tip of a peninsula that is supposed to have a great view of the San Diego area. And let me get up on this sand dune here and see what's behind it. It's really kind of a strange looking beach because it's got this sand that's all piled up on one side. Oh, there we go. We've got the Ocean Beach Pier right here. And lots of people off the coast here ready to surf.